Our human behaviour lab allows us to really truly observe human behaviour in naturalistic settings. It gives us the opportunity to not just observe but then record and even in some cases influence human behaviour and see what that does for the purposes of understanding the roles of academics, practitioners and people involved in sport and exercise contexts. We have a room which is split into two, divided by a one-way mirror, which allows us to, in one side of the space where we are now, look in and observe and sometimes even manipulate what the space is next door. And then in the other side we might have a range of activities going on that we want to observe. So it might be a role play activity, or it might be a consultation, or it might be just a task that we want people to perform a certain number of activities within. So the students we envisage benefiting from this are all our students, but particularly our final year undergraduate and postgraduate students, as well as those who may be enrolled on professional training routes to become practitioner psychologists in the future. So not only do we have the mirror to observe what's going on, we have 3 strategically positioned cameras, which again are discreet enough to not draw direct attention, but they're high quality and enough to be able to allow us to capture human behaviour in a way that we can watch it back, listen to the audio and inform the learning of our students and the research and enterprise activity of our staff. Our students and researchers and in training and experienced practitioner staff, I think are going to really thrive in an environment like this. They'll be able to ask the questions they want, but with a knowledge that they can find the answers that they're looking for in a really robust and reliable way.